Welcome traders, I have some pretty exciting news for you. As I have posted on my YouTube channel, I am running a promotion. You can join the Forex Recipes private community for only $197 per month. This is a massive discount, and I am offering this discount in celebration of the platform now offering Google Pay and Apple Pay. Okay, so instead of paying $497 per month, you can join right now and lock in this new price forever, $197 per month. Now, let me just walk you through what's inside of Forex Recipes VIP community. I'm inside of the classroom. Inside of the classroom, I have provided immense value, right? These are courses that you might be paying thousands and thousands of dollars for to access, okay? However, inside of my community, everything is available at that one single price of $197 per month. So if I just jump through and show you some of these modules, there is immense value, okay? Inside of the ICT Fundamentals module, I break down every key algorithmic signature. Okay, now these aren't just basic generic videos, right? This is my take on exactly how I use these signatures. And I provide real world trade examples of where I have used those concepts in the real market. Okay, now let's go back to the classroom. Now the classroom is actually designed for students to go through these modules in sequence. So once you've gone through the ICT Fundamentals module and you've gone through all of my trade examples there, you need to then familiarize yourself with the Market Maker Buy program, okay? Because the price is only delivered in two ways, either a buy program or a sell program. And again, the modules are all based on real world trades. And that's the beauty, right? Everything I teach is based on real world examples, okay? So you go through the Market Maker Buy program, go through the Market Maker Sell program, lessons on how to identify where the market is headed next, right? If you can determine where the market is headed next, and then you can determine the algorithmic signatures, example, what you need to see to engage with price. What else do you need? Okay. So there's video lessons on directional bias. Now, this is my favorite module, the high probability setups. This is where I've actually gone through and broken down exactly what you need to see to engage with price. Okay. All the different setups. These are high probability setups that I've mastered over my years of experience in the market. Okay. And now here is the most important and the most valuable of all the things that I have put inside of Classroom. And that is all of my trade execution videos, right? This is me recording my screen as I am taking a trade, walking through, commenting on why I've taken the entry, what I see, where I think the market's going, what are the signatures that are present on the chart. These are videos and charts, right, of every trade, not every trade, but my most highest probability trade. There's a lot there. Okay, the list goes on forever. Video lessons on all of my trade breakdowns, and these aren't just breakdowns, they're not walkthroughs, they are live entries, okay, where I've recorded my screen as I'm taking that trade and talking about why I'm entering the market, okay. Now, there's tons and tons of information, okay, knowledge that's built up over the years of experience that I have on the charts, okay. Another very, very important component module is the reversals module, okay, because 80 to 90% of breakouts fail, okay, and so if we know that most of the breakouts fail, then we want to look for that specific setup, right? Because when the market breaks out and we know that most of the time it's going to fail, if we can identify what that failure looks like, then we can engage with price and take advantage of that false break reversal, okay? And that's what this particular module details, okay? So there's a number of modules. These are all courses, tons and tons of value, okay? Ready for you to come in and take advantage of and master this skill. Now, Forex Recipes VIP community, we focus on the gold market, okay? Now, here's what I do every week. Every week, I provide members with a weekly analysis video, and this is basically telling them and providing them guidance of where I believe the market is going, okay? You can see every week there is a video here that guides students on what to expect for the upcoming week, okay? Now, each day, okay, I provide in the setups channel a daily bias, right? A directional bias that's in line with the weekly analysis. This is where we have discussions throughout the day. So for example, if I open up this one here, 12th of August, which is yesterday's thread, okay, I've provided an overall bias. And then this is where we talk about all of our trade ideas, our setups, our charts. Students are engaging here. They're taking trades. Here's a cool trade from a student market maker buy model. I'll post my trades in here. I'll post setups in here if I want to share setups at a high probability. I'll post things that I'm looking at. For example, I'm looking at the market going to the previous daily low. Okay, and then, for any setups that I'm taking, here's a short that I did yesterday. I also did a video on this. It's on my YouTube Shorts channel. Okay, and students are also posting their thoughts, their ideas, what they see, and things that they are looking at. Okay, and that's important because you will be working with and collaborating with and talking with and discussing trade ideas with like-minded people. Okay, and then I'll provide other videos and other ideas in here. This is every single day, right? Every day we come to the market, right? I'll post the directional bias. So you don't need anything else, right? If I can give you where the market is headed next, right? And then in Classroom, you learn about what time to engage with price, and then you learn about exactly what you need to see to engage with price. Well, what else do you need? Okay? Your job becomes to come into the classroom and learn all the concepts, okay? It doesn't mean you come in and you binge watch. No, it's not going to work like that. You come in and you go through the different modules, right? And you learn through Example, okay? You watch the videos where I'm showing you the strategy. I'm showing you how to do it. I'm showing you what you need to see. I'm showing you what time you need to come to the screen with live examples, right? Then every day you come to the setups channel where I'm with you every single day trading the gold market, posting my charts, posting my setups, posting my ideas, and then you're also looking at and monitoring what others are doing inside the community. So you're working together as a group. We're all working together as a group, succeeding together as a group, learning from each other. Okay? That's what the Forex Recipes VIP community is all about. And right now, you can join this amazing community for just $197 per month and lock in that price forever. Okay? So you've asked for this. You wanted me to offer you a discount. I'm offering you a discount for the very first time in celebration of the school platform now integrating with Google Pay and Apple Pay. Okay? So lock in your price of $197 per month before it goes back up to $497 per month and take advantage of all the material, the lessons and the guidance and the strategies that are available inside of the classroom. I encourage you to take advantage of this offer because I know that it will change your life. It will be the best decision that you have ever made. Okay? This knowledge is transferable. I know that because my students are taking the same trades that I'm taking, right? The market maker buy models, the market maker sell models, and I listen to the feedback that they provide me, right? Even to the current day, students are providing me with positive feedback on how this information has changed their lives, okay? So take advantage of this opportunity. I'm not going to do this ever again. This is your chance to lock in this discounted price of $197 per month instead of paying $497 per month. I look forward to seeing you. So click on the link below and join immediately. Don't miss out. I look forward to working with you on the inside.